there's hella stuff on this screen. Drop down to the 15-minute. We drop a hella, and then we fill this gap, right? As you see, it's pretty much where I entered. We'll go down to the 5 real quick. Why the fuck am I looking at this? This is it's the wrong chart. Same idea though. Same idea. So we'll still go down to the 5-minute. Yeah, my laptop is dying, bro. Okay, let's see. So 5-minute, right here, right here. I think, yeah, it should be it. Okay, yeah. I think this is it. See, it looks like I entered. Never mind, that's 11:40. Where did I? Oh, right here. Yeah, it was right here. Stops below. I think it's a pretty big stop, something like this. It might be on top step X actually. So let's check. Down to the 5. Down to the 5. Right. Entered here, stops below that low because honestly it was pretty big. Looks like 57 points. And yeah, we just railed down. So fuck that shit. Actually, if I took the trade today, I think it would have went pretty well. But I didn't, of course. I dropped it. I said fuck that shit. I'm not trading that shit no more. I'm pretty sure I was bullish as well, but alright, I guess we'll go over it. So let's see. 4 hour. It looks like we had tapped this gap. Okay, did we tap a bearish gap? But it looks like we inversed it right here. Does this count? Yeah, 9 a.m. open. Okay, so I guess we also tapped this gap. We also inversed this gap, and we inversed. Oh wait, no. What am I talking about? Hold on, I need to look on this chart, bro. I can't fucking see. We were lagging super bad. Oof. Can this load any faster? Oh my god. My laptop is warming the fuck up. Can we load any? Okay, this shit's frozen. Okay, I'm looking at my analysis and I ain't gonna lie, I actually don't remember. Okay, so we inversed this bullish gap. We ended up tapping this gap later on. Right, this gap was already inversed. So we have an inverse on the 4 hour right here for the bullish side of things, and we also tap this huge gap right here too. So I'm pretty sure dropping to the hourly, we were literally bullish. Yeah, so we tapped this gap and we inversed this. This is like the last thing we inversed. So I'm bullish. Go ahead and drop to the 15. I know I ain't gonna, like I already knew how the trade would have went. Okay, so there was actually nothing in the 15, but let's see if there was an SMT or not. Okay, looking like we actually might have an SMT, but so this low and this low. Okay, yeah, we have an SMT. That is good. We have an SMT. Yeah, this one right here. So let's say I took a trade using my actual strat. My stop's below like what? Something like this, probably. Pretty big stop. And let's see how far we ran up till 320. 320 right here. What is this? 2.5. That is so shit. I think our peak was 3. Yeah, it's so trash, bro. So would have ended the trade probably somewhere around here. I don't think there was any high to even. I think the next like highest take probably, if I remember, was like 3.6 risk to reward is what I would have taken, or my put to determine my, I guess, overall direction and draw. My draws were actually I think I marked it. No, I did. Wait, no, I didn't mark it here. Let's go back. Look at this chart. I think. Okay. What the fuck are we doing, bro? Yeah, I don't remember. Okay, I think it might have been this chart. I think this is where all the yellow lines were. I'm just gonna exit this out because it's atrocious. Where the fuck are my fucking candles? Yo. Okay. Holy shit. Okay. Where is market open? This is definitely not the chart I was using. Okay, it might have been this. Pretty sure all my draws were marked on this one then. Which makes more sense. I don't know why I'm looking at NMQ or MNQ. Oh my god. Sorry. I don't know why I'm looking at MNQ. So, bullish day, right? The hourly was bearish, right? Could see potential draws down, but the 30-minute was actually bullish in my opinion, right? So usually when the 30-minute and the 1 hour technically isn't aligned, I'm actually okay with choosing whatever draw is closer, right? So before, it's 8 o'clock. So looking at this candle, right, we had equal high, almost like relative equal highs right here as a draw. We had this swing high, this 30-minute gap, which was also a 1 hour gap, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 1 hour gap, but I wouldn't target that. And then this huge swing high, which I actually didn't think we were going to get, but we ended up getting it, right? Huge bullish day, as you can see. That's why my other strat probably fucking worked. So those are my draws. I had 2 draws down here, which also look really good. Like, if you look at it, we're actually pretty fucking stacked, right? Stacked draws right there. But we didn't get enough close enough to get it. So let's go look at M and Q on here. So you know where the draws are. Actually, let me mark it out. Okay, looking at today, here we go. Like I said, my draw right here, remember it? I'll mark it out. This shit was taken, right? Pretty much at market open. Market open here, huge pump, swept that shit, then we dumped. Where's the next try? I know we had one more. Okay. Today, I heard today, like, a lot of people actually blew their accounts. And it's gonna be a long video, bro. So, after that got taken out, huge reversal, right? I would have taken this short if we had another, like, good bullish candle, not bullish, bearish candle, because then I would have targeted this low. These all would have been taken out, but we sort of had a sweep rejection, and whenever I see that, I kind of back off and wait for, like, a little bit more confident, like, entry. We also had a fair value gap right here too, so I guess that we rejected off of that. Then we bought literally right back up, right? I actually was planning on entering right here because we inversed this BPR, and then we also displaced. My trade would have looked something like this. Like this, pretty sure. Well, let's look something like that. We end up, I didn't enter because we end up like flying, and then I didn't get an entry. I was like, fuck it, I'll just skip out on this trade, which ended up an L. Like we literally kind of edged this, right? Came back down, right? Came back up. Let me take this out. Came back up, edged it again, and came like look at this. This is probably where most of the people lost their trade from market open till about 9:30, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people were targeting London lows and Asia lows. So there's that, right? Once we bought back up, I was actually ready to enter, but nah, I didn't like basically the risk to reward right here, because my other draw was all the way up top, like that one peak high, and this wouldn't provide a good RR. So I skimped down on that, of course, and then we dumped, came back up. I was actually kind of like a CISD, did not get that, of course. We actually ended up pumping up again, pumped up, all right, came all the way up here, edged this high again, came down and actually retraced. I could have entered here, but low-key, looking at this, sort of in a chop, I'd rather see low. So basically, I was ready to enter. I was waiting for a displacement, not a displacement, just another bullish candle where we like close somewhere around here. Like, could have been a good entry. Let me turn off the magnet. So let's say like we closed like even like right here. I would have entered something like this, targeting this high, 1.4R. Like, that was the perfect scenario. I didn't expect us to, buy the fuck up. We aren't doing that, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much how I didn't trade today. Realistically, my trade could have looked something like this. stop right here, targeting for 2R, or even here, targeting for a 1.39R. Like this right here was a good entry, you know, it's part of my entry guideline, like a rejection, but like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 minutes of like not kind of like inconsistent price action in my opinion. I wouldn't say consolidation fully, but you know, look at these big, like look at these wicks, or just wicking stuff. And so basically I just want to like get a little displacement. But yeah, I like the strategy a lot because I basically get my draws right every time. Every time I backtested so far. How long has this video been going for? I have no idea. But, and then like I said, my last draw ended up getting hit anyways, that fucking high all the way up there. This one ended up getting hit too. So, like I said, my draws are pretty nice. That's why I really like this strat. And to prove it to you, I am going to backtest a random day. I'm going to ask for a random day. And either I'm going to get no trade entry, a break even, or a dub. Just to prove it. What day is this? January 26th. So let's go to Friday, January 26th. I don't even got to look at news, bro. January 26th. Wait, what? Friday? 2024, holy fuck. Okay. Didn't even know we can, wait, I passed it. Okay, I didn't even know we could go that far, not gonna lie. Alright, January 2026. This is gonna be a laggy video. Market open. Boom shakalaka. Right. Going to 30-minute. Mark out. This low. Okay, wait. It looks like trading view just. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, okay. Mark out that low. Mark out this high. Honestly, we're looking bullish on 30-minute, of course. So I'm gonna put in some more draws that look really efficient. This is like I don't really think we're gonna get it, but it's a possibility kind of draw, like that one high today. 1 hour also looking very bullish, honestly. This draw looks like the most probable one. Of course, this is probably gonna get hit too, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm assuming, honestly, we're probably gonna get it like in the next few candles. Okay, we end up sweeping this low, right? This draw I marked. I mean, it was pretty obvious that we were gonna take out one of these. Market open comes. I really don't want to cheat. I'm gonna say we're probably bearish because this looks like a low. I'm usually not a fan of taking lows, or so when the 30-minute and the 1 hour align, I'm usually not a fan of taking the opposite bias, I guess. So we're just gonna see what goes, but honestly, if we reject this low right here, looking a bit juicy, but I need to see if it's a 30-minute low. I'm not gonna lie, so I'm kind of cheating myself right now. Okay, this low right here is literally like an actual 30-minute low, and then this is also, you know, a 30-minute unfilled gap right here. So sorry that I cheated. We can clearly see that we got it, but let's just see if there was a good entry. So we're chopping. See, we get a push down. Okay, we wicked that. I'm not taking that. Not taking that. Not taking that. A push down. I'd probably give it one more candle, to be honest. Nope, we're chopping right now. And displace down, and we get it without an entry. So let me just make sure. Let me see. Okay, so we're actually bearish on the 30-minute. 1 hour is probably super bullish though. Yep. So I'm chill with taking whatever is offered to me on both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this out because this is a possibility. Check the 30 minutes, see if there's anything else. Nope. These like relative equal lows right here, so we could possibly get that. But let's just see how it goes. Comes it not 9 o'clock yet? See if there's 9 a.m. news. I guess not. But we did just inverse this place down. I'm kind of looking for kind of a, whatchamacallit. Okay, we're kind of chopping, bro. Like, look at this. This is not what I like to see. Okay, we're buying up. If we inverse this, I might be in it, depending on how it looks. Okay, I'm in it right here. Wait. This is not a good RR. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to take this, bro. but I have a feeling we might take it. I don't know, sometimes price hose and we just like edge it, but we'll probably take it. Oh wait, come on bro, give me a good entry. Oh, we're chopping, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's not good. We took it, of course. 951. Very tough, I'm not gonna lie. No trade today. Yeah, bro, we're chopping, bro. Yeah, I wouldn't answer here. Yes, pretty. I mean, look at it. Actually, we really didn't go anywhere today on Friday, January 26th of 2024. Let's pick another day, bro. This is gonna be a long ass video. Holy fuck. But it's alright. I don't mind. What day is this? March 14th. It's a Friday again in 2025? Yeah. I'm just excited to backtest, bro. I'm not gonna lie. March 15th, Friday. What the fuck? Oh, March 14th. Okay. Let's see. Actually, now that I realize it, I'm looking at how we just... Wait, that might have been nighttime, though. You know, I'm just not going to say anything. Fuck it. All right, looking at the 30-minute. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, we don't really have much. I'm not going to lie. This is like probably the lowest swing low, and that's pretty far away, bro. And then there's this swing high. Looking at the hourly. Yeah, bro. Definitely not ideal. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not liking how this looks. I'm guessing we might have to mark out London highs / lows. I mean, there's probably no London highs. Like, we're probably have to mark out London lows. Oh, this is London low. Holy fuck. Okay, you know what? One more low. But honestly, we're looking really bullish, so I'm not thinking we're gonna go down there for real. 30-minute also looking really bullish. All right, let's just see how this goes. 8:30. Right. What the fuck? What the hell, bro? Dude, my laptop is breathing so loud. I'm gonna be sad this video corrupts, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but okay. Let's see. Here we go. Market open. Market open. All right, we fill that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really trying to see. I don't remember. Okay, so the 1 hour was bullish, right? I think 30-minute was also bullish. I'm thinking the 30-minute might have. Okay, yeah, no. I'm not gonna try to scroll up. Fuck. Okay, well, like I said, 30-minute is bullish. 1 hour is probably also. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I had a brain fart and I completely forgot what the fuck, like, you know, what the fuck we were looking for. What the fuck my bias was. So, I mean, we're just gonna. Holy shit. Okay, we don't want to get a fucking entry. Holy fuck. Okay. Let's see. Can we get this high? That's what I'm asking for now. And there's also this high. I'll mark just in case. It looks like we edged though. I'm not gonna lie. Would I have entered here? Let's see. Nah, it's too big, bro. We gotta be closer. Okay, that's too close, bro. That's too close. Okay. Honestly, I probably would have entered something like this and I probably would have lost. This looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Sadly, we edged this. Wait, let me see if there was anywhere to put a break even. This high? Possibly, I'm not gonna lie, I should have checked. One other thing, I usually go break even if there is a possible reversal point that is higher than... Wait, did we get it? Oh, I don't think we got it. Okay, I would have lost the trade. Yeah, it's embarrassing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I said I was either gonna win or get no trade, and honestly, that's probably where I would have entered. I'm not gonna lie. Very embarrassing. Okay, one more day. I gotta make up for it. One more day. What day is this? 17th July 2024. 17th July. Wait, what day is this? Wednesday. Okay, yeah. Come on, man. You gotta redeem yourself, Ryan. Okay. You know, it's gonna be really embarrassing if I lose. I'm gonna actually lose some confidence, ironically, after switching up on my strat. Oh, that's the thing, though. I switched up because, like, I feel like I've been stuck with the 5-minute so long, and honestly, the way I traded for so long was really similar, of course. I barely tweaked it, and I lost, like, every month. And I just got tired of it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so 30-minute we're looking bearish. 1 hour also looking extremely bearish. Let's see what there is to target. So there is, honestly, I'm just gonna mark this because that low and this fair value gap are right next to each other. How far are we? We're actually decently close. Drop to 30-minute. Let's see. Perfect. Aligns up with that 30-minute gap. I guess I'll mark this too just in case. But that is a bit far away, but we'll see. So bearish on both time frames. Gotta remember that, so I don't cheat myself. Honestly, probably market open will probably take that low. Looks like it. Oh, don't even need market open. Low is taken. All right, let's see. Can we get a good entry? Okay, no entry. Create a gap. Come on, create a gap. Something. Sweep that high. All right, we're definitely taking that now. Take both of them. We take both of them. Fuck me. Okay, I really should keep on marking that like more draws, bro, because clearly. Okay, next, I guess, logical draw is this hourly low. I wouldn't really count this as a swing low, though. Probably something more like this, but let's see if there's a swing low in the 30-minute. Which might have been that. I mean, like, not really. I'll mark it, though. It's like the only next, like, closest draw. Let's see how we end up. So, okay, we keep on pushing down. Good rejection. Ironically, we might lose this trade, but let me see what the RR. Oh, fuck no, we're not even close. Yeah, we're not taking that. Okay. Come on, big rejection down. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Please win. It's gonna be embarrassing. What time is it? 9:24. Fuck, bro. Honestly, like I said, I wouldn't even have targeted that for real. That low, this low down here would have been more like an actual unfilled gap or whatever the fuck it was. Yeah, we chopping though. Okay, we end up taking that low, and we actually get the low. Come on, nice. We actually get that draw. Just unfortunate, man. Just really unfortunate, honestly. Just really unfortunate. Okay, bro, this is actually really pathetic of me. I'm gonna do one more day, and I'm just gonna end the video after that. January. Okay, I don't want to scroll that far. Dude, it's even farther. Bro, come on, bro. Give me something within 24 that isn't like in January. Okay, June, Tuesday, 25th. Select bar. Oops, select. Well, actually, I can't select bar actually. Oh, it's actually not even 8 o'clock yet. Okay, it's cool. I'm cool with that. Coolio. Where is 8:30? 8:30. God damn it. Holy fuck, we are far. Alright, how is it? 42. Alright, bet. It's good. Looking at 30-minute, currently bearish, right? Hourly, we're probably bullish. Yeah, we are. So, open to taking longs or shorts. This is the next most probable draw. Makes the most sense to me. And then, of course, this low. On the bullish side of things, there's this high, and there's this high. Okay, there's this high. So yeah, honestly, check the hourly, I guess. Yeah, this is a really good draw to look at right here. This not so much, to be honest, but this low we're probably gonna take. Looks like a good stack low right there. We'll keep going up. All right, I'm happy with this set of draws. All right, so like I said, 30-minute was bearish, 1 hour was bullish. See how we go. All right, so market open here. Yeah. Okay. So you see how these stack lows. If we get a good, like, displacement up-ish. Okay, yeah, no. I'm not taking longs. Okay. These shorts are definitely going to be taken right here. Yep. Can I get a good entry, sir, please? Someone? Alright. So we edge this gap. That's not, I don't like how that is built. Holy fuck. Okay, never mind. Um, see, like, this is some bullshit though, cause like, what the fuck am I even supposed to take with this? Even if I put my CPU, like, it's like nothing to fucking take, honestly. Okay, let's hope we go down. Okay. That high was taken. We reject off this again. Okay. Doji, holy, come on, bruh. Come on, like, we are hoeing right now. Can I get a good entry, man? Please? Please, bro? Alright, bro. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to look on a higher time frame, and we're gonna see what draws there are. Okay, honestly, there's like no other draws, to be honest. I probably would have been done for the day, because the next draw is all the way up here. I really don't think we're gonna take it. If anything, this low looks more probable. So we'll just see how it goes. We'll just see how it goes. Okay. Okay. We inverse this. I'll be down to target this high. I'm not gonna lie. Did I get stopped out? Honestly, maybe. Okay, I don't know. I don't know, like, like if we went up first or we down first. Like, this is it's not looking too good. I'm not gonna lie, we might have gotten stopped out right here though. It's like the same exact tick. Like, I really don't know. I mean, I could have like put it like a little bit smaller, a little bit outward, and then I also can't tell if we went down first and then up, or up first and then down. Honestly, it makes more sense if we went up first, of course, because sweep and then we come down. But why would we sweep it, come down, and come right back up? I'm not gonna lie, I might have lost this trade, which is so sad. I swear I'm not this bad, bro. Holy fuck, I just lost 3 trades in a row. This is really okay. You know what? Maybe because this price action is all the way in 2024, and it's been a whole fucking year and like 8 months, right? Yeah. So let's do what month am I supposed to backtest? I think May. Let's do fuck it, bro. It's a random day in like August. Let's do August today, August 6th. Okay, oh my god, it's such a long video. Such a long video. I'm so sorry. I'm so ass. Alright. This high right here. This high right here. Right. See, we're kind of bearish on the 30-minute, honestly. Oh, we also have this low right here. It looks really juicy. Juicy low. Hourly, yeah, pretty much the same thing, honestly. We have this gap here too. Hourly is bearish though, so looking really good. Yeah, there's like nothing else to target really on the bullish side of things. I marked this too. Might get that. Alright. Come on, man, let's get it. Market open. Push up. Keep going down, man. Oh, why did we do that? We just took out all these lows. Okay. Take out that low, of course. Might reverse. Keep pumping down, man. Give me a good entry. What the fuck, bro? Okay, hold on. We might be cooking. Ooh, we might be cooking. It's 9 a.m. though. Ooh, this is a really, really big trade and also not good risk reward. Fuck, man. Can we? Oh, actually, that was a good entry right there. Yeah. Oh, no, the fuck it wasn't. Even if I did that. Yeah, no, the fuck it wasn't. Yeah, hell no. Buy back up. Can we get a fair value gap or something? We're chopping, chopping, we're chopping. Displace. No retrace. Probably gonna take it now. Yep. Come on, man. Can I get an entry? I swear it's not this bad. Okay. We have a few more candles left to work with here. This is way too far. Can we get a displace? Nope. Can we get a displace? Nope. Displace? Nope. Displace? Fuck, it's over with. Yeah, no. Fuck, man. Like, I'm actually so fucking trash. I'm gonna end the video there, man.